Be ready. Start. Sir, now I would like to say something about tea. Full stop. This time there is taxation on common tea, the tea that we are consuming here, so that there can be more earnings through export. Full stop. But if we examine this tea industry, we will find that we are not getting good results either by the efforts of the tea board or by the efforts of government. Full stop. One fourth of the production of the whole country is represented by tea, but that much of attention is not given by the government to this industry. Full stop. They think that it is already getting foreign earning, and so it should continue to get it. Full stop. But efforts should be made not only to develop this industry but also to improve the industry through research and other things. Full stop. As you know, in some parts of the foreign companies which are working here are neglecting this industry. Full stop. They are only after the profits. They are not thinking of the development of the industry. Full stop. There is room for development in many respects, but it all depends upon research work, and research stations should be set up wherever there is neglect. Full stop. No doubt the tea board is there, but the tea board is not seeing to these things. Full stop. That is our complaint. Full stop. In the tea board, people are there who are not at all eager to see how this industry could be developed, how we could earn more profits, how the quality could be improved, and how the quantity could be increased. Full stop. We are not seeing to that. Full stop. I come from a part where the tea industry plays an important part in the economy of that area. Full stop. But I find that it is being neglected from year to year, and no attention is given to it. Full stop. I find that there is this drought menace in the tea plantations. Full stop. As a result, no further improvement in plantation is made. Full stop. There the development of tea can be undertaken. Full stop. I only suggest this to our finance minister. Full stop. When you are giving relief to coffee, why are you not giving relief to tea, which is earning much more foreign exchange? I humbly urge our finance minister to see to it and remove this burden on common tea. Full stop. Now I would like to say a word about betelnut. Full stop. There is taxation on betelnut which is imported. Full stop. In my part, large quantities of betelnuts are being smuggled. Full stop.